Unleashing the power of SpaceX's Starship, the Super Heavy Booster decoded. SpaceX's Starship is an engineering marvel, but what's the secret behind its astronomical prowess? Meet the Super Heavy Booster. Without its Super Heavy Booster, the Starship is like a bird without wings. This power-packed giant makes interplanetary travel possible. Engineered with precision, the Super Heavy Booster is designed for reusable missions, propelling SpaceX's commitment to sustainability in space exploration. Running on 28 Raptor engines, this colossal booster generates the thrust needed to escape Earth's gravitational pull and reach Mars. Without the Super Heavy, missions to Mars would be mere fantasy. It's the powerful backbone of SpaceX's Starship, the game changer. Next time you gaze up at a Starship launch, remember the Super Heavy Booster. It's not just a component, it's the lifeline.